Hello friends, I am Dr. Anubhav Gulati, Senior Consultant, Orthopedics and Joint Replacement at Columbia Asia Hospital, Palam Vihar. So today I will talk about management of osteoarthritis of knee in middle-aged people when the disease has just started and what can be done to prevent it so that one does not require a knee replacement. In the past, there were not several options available to manage osteoarthritis in its early stages, but now we have multiple options and one can benefit from that. To explain you about these options which are available, I'll bring your attention to this model. So if you see, this is a knee model which has a very smooth and shiny glistening cartilage, and this is a normal knee. When someone develops early stage osteoarthritis, usually there is very small loss of cartilage, and these patients, they tend to get pain on walking, exertion, climbing stairs. So usually the initial treatment for them is to prescribe some medications. But it has been seen that once they stop these medicines, the pain usually returns, and a more definite way to treat these patients who are in very early phase of disease, there is a technique called viscosupplementation, which can help in controlling the disease, and it can control the progression of the disease. So what is done in viscosupplementation is a thick viscous fluid is injected in the knee, and that takes care of the cartilage. It protects the cartilage from further degeneration, and it helps to prolong the life of the knee. So if these injections are taken on a regular basis, then one can possibly halt the progression of disease to an advanced stage. So this is one new technique which has come up in recent years, and one should try to take advantage of this procedure. If for some reason your disease has progressed to a little more advanced stage, so this is the next model where some loss of cartilage can also be seen, and this is possibly grade 2 problem where the pain is not controlled at all by medications, and sometimes you have also experienced a small jerk or injury in the knee. So there is a chance that along with this early phase osteoarthritis, you may have damaged one of the discs which is inside the knee. So these are called menisci, and many times people with early stage osteoarthritis, they tend to have a meniscus tear in the knee, and this can be easily diagnosed on an MRI scan. So if you have a symptom of clicking, locking in the knee, and you have been diagnosed with osteoarthritis, then there is a chance that you may have a tear in your disc, and that requires an altogether different management. So in those cases, again there is a minimally invasive technique which is available to take care of this tear in the cartilage. So this is called arthroscopic meniscus repair and joint debridement and washout. So this is a very good procedure for people who in early stage of osteoarthritis who have also developed a small tear in their disc. So this is another advantageous procedure. It requires just a minimally invasive surgery. You just have to be in the hospital for a day or so, and then you can be going home walking, and in a week's time you can return to activity. So these are some of the minimally invasive techniques which are being available to take care of early osteoarthritis and progress and stop its progression to a full-blown osteoarthritis. A very recent addition in the management of early osteoarthritis, wherein the disease has progressed to another stage where it is called anteromedial arthritis, or one side of the joint has become lost, and the knee somehow looks like this, that it is bent in on the inner side, and you may notice that you have a bowing in the leg. So that is called unicompartmental arthritis, and this even at this stage, a very minimally invasive surgery which is called unicompartmental knee replacement. So here is a model of a total knee replacement which requires to change the entire surface of the thigh bone and the tibia bone. But in unicompartmental knee replacement, only one of the condyle or this much part of the knee is replaced. It's a minimum invasive surgery, although not totally, but the incision is very small. The patient just needs to be in the hospital for 2 days and they can be discharged early. They go home walking and the recovery is very fast. The bones, very minimum of the bones are cut to place these implants. There is no ligament sacrifice which is done to do this surgery, and patient has a feeling of his original knee altogether. So this is another addition to our armamentarium in management of early or middle stages of osteoarthritis, so that one does not have to go to this last stage. So the take home is to get if you have knee pain, get it diagnosed as early as possible. Do not wait for things to deteriorate. We can provide these minimally invasive techniques to save your knee, and you can get a good benefit from these procedures. Thank you.